So I just have to make this video because a lot of people have been worried about me. First of all, I want to thank God Almighty for showing me mercy and sparing my life. I thank the good Samaritans that came around and helped me out of the car. Thank you, all those that have been calling, sending messages. God bless you. I've not been able to attend to all the messages and calls, but thank you so much. I appreciate it. I never knew I was this loved. Thank you so much. And for people that have been saying I was reckless, I was drunk, please, it's not true. I was coming from Cubana, and when I got to Agungi, a black horse was crossing the road from nowhere, and I tried to avoid, just to swerve, and from there I lost control, and the motor somersaulted, and the seatbelt held me back, and I came out untouched. Now just last week we do show here, we never even collect money.
I believe my progress, not I clap for myself. I don't say no, you know, I go visit my auntie, I did my auntie house. Yeah, I like to walk out, I don't know road. My auntie, they go out. I say, a lot of people. The lady in Nigeria, if you go London, I don't say, and I know they work for this country. Until where you there, I didn't work. For night, I didn't work. I go until don't go work, I want stroke. Oh, no, guy man, they stroke. You see, London everywhere, resemble. Red bus. Before I know, I come back, I don't see house again. Yeah? I don't lost. But I write house number, put for my pocket. So I'll come call house. Phone go ring. Junior, small boy, 4 years. I go pick call, auntie pikin. Hello? Say, Junior, this is uncle. Uncle, what's the problem? Shut up, no get problem. I lost. Oh, you're missing. Okay, what can you see? Turn around. As I can see, woolish Asna. Okay. Take the bus 350, drop at the station, move close to the bus, and then ask someone, you get to the house. You direct me. Every day, I don't know the person they direct me, I just lost. Hello, Gina, I said, where are you? I said, come on, I don't know, man, I can see stadium. What stadium is that? I said, Arsenal Stadium. Okay, you direct me every day. So the thing they switch me, say for all come out, now they get problem, I just stroke before. That's how I know where they go, because I get house number, they call Junior. So one day, I found the house. Weekend, where Junior mama go work. She just dey cook. Junior just dey play, one break last. Then the mama suffer, Junior, what's that? Come on, I'll spank you. Who sent me? I can't go pull mouth. Junior, are you stupid? And Junior look me like this. I don't understand the look. And you know, go in your room. The following day, I don't forget what happened yesterday. That's how I throw. I lost. I call house. Hello? With excitement, you know, say, as an adult, you know, they keep talking for mine. Hello? Junior, I'm missing. He said, I don't understand. You what? I said, come on, as usual, I'm missing. You're missing. Where are you? What can you see? As I can see the red bus, that bus will take you to Nigeria. I'll see you, man. You saw what? Hold on, wait. Please, for people where they always go all these big restaurants, go chop. This is the price they shock you, but because of saying you don't order, that shame, respect, you can't lock up. They can't bring up, you know? No, when you call a read manual like who get exam, they read the menu. See taxes to no restaurant very expensive. Once you just enter, sit down, first order for water. With big boy, come on, get water. How much is your water? They say 3,000. Just gonna say, hey, now the place with this. Hold on. I go one restaurant. I don't know say snake. genius. And so snail the course. I just reached there, me and my girlfriend. What do you want? She said, yes, I'm a tifo. And about plan the tifo, but to talk am, I will first give us some. One. Snake. Yeah, snake. I said, snake. Because for worry that year, snake, they catch them. I said, bring 7 snails for her. Give her. You just give me 3. That's 10. So when I come, you bring the bill, I say, I don't ask for your phone number. The money just long. When I transfer the money to them, my account empty. At the sweat. It's at the sweat. One man just walk enter with 4 guests. And the guests they say, yes, we want snail, we want snail. Some people they won't give the man a sign. God. The man we don't know what to happen, they look at me, what's wrong with you? You know him from anywhere? Come on. When you come order the snail, 34. The chop. When they bring the bill, he look at me, then look at me. He said, oh, you were trying to say something. He said, I was not saying anything. But listen, gentlemen, I'll give you your balance now. You know this DJ? You know say, DJ, once DJ they play like this, they play. You never serve their food, you go to hear, Then they bring go and start show. Story. I'm not going to punish you. Please, all the ladies here, can we give the ladies a round of applause? What I clap for the ladies? What I clap for them? I come this Lagos. I don't say that so Lagos gets expensive because I've been the stages. I meet one guy, the guy say, hey baby, let's go have some fun. I said, where? She said, let's just see a movie. I said, wow, just to watch film. Fine, let's go. I will go. We reach Genesis Cinema, Menta. As I enter the passage, AC, they blow, they call. I say, so when they put AC for outside. I said, okay, madam, better give me malt. You must say 17. I said, not with the crate, the bottle. You must say yes, 17. Because for just the bell and popcorn. Okay, that would be 3,000. I said, popcorn, 3,000. Okay, time to see the movie. How much for one person? 3,500. I said, now here they want the film. I said, no, they don't really add time. They don't really add time. I said, you know, if like here they want add the film, make I know. Because how to pay that kind of money? Lagos gets good though. They treat like that. Abuja, hello. If you go Abuja, no carry girl, hello. I go Abuja, enter club. They dance. They dance. After they dance, I meet one girl. Find the black as fast. Hello. Can we do the night? She said, yeah, but it can't be today. He said, that's how they give appointment. Then she took her for Bago. Watch out. Give me tell her. I'll go pay for bank. Yeah? On a year now. On Monday. That's how I carry that bank. Don't say get some kind of money where you won't go pay. Your movement is slow. People in my back, I said, no worry, you can do. The delay when something will minister to you to change your mind. Don't say when you feel, you can't reach one place where they write purpose of payment. I confuse. I tell the guy, say, don't worry, just leave it like that. He said, no, you must feel it. I said, okay, it's for Like when two people agree. The guy say write it now. I thought it's for merriment. Two people merriment. When two people want to enjoy. You know, so one man to sleep for house very easy, but to sleep for hotel, I don't know the juju where they write for hotel bed. Man won't sleep for hotel. As he enter the hotel, watch how you want to sleep. Now wow, so tell nobody. See soft mattress. You go here footstep. Excuse me, yeah. Where are you going? You want to see somebody else? Okay. Go back. One carry telephone, one reception. Hello, man, come pick you. Hello, woman, come pick. What do you people have? You go in the mission, everything finished. Never mind. I'm okay. Because na hotel, only hotel people, then go make you order what you don't want to. For example, you don't see where pastor don't go hotel. You say some hotel, all they are drinking at the same price. Pastor say, give me water. They say 1,000.
Nigerians, if you want him to open that comment section, let me see your hands up like this. You gotta see him. So tomorrow morning you go open them, Abi. Promise you open them. He said go open them tomorrow morning. Now then you hear real word. So everyone go come tell you first. Before you go open them, God will punish you. God will punish you. You gotta carry me go house, go play football. Oh boy, I'm not gonna say the idiot wants to help. He said, "Why come and come play football?" You know what happened? Before he invite me come play football, idiot house. Only the swimming pool area. Not in my full one plot when I get doing full pool. Only swimming pool though. They got a money long. You know before. That's the reason why you know before. You know to recommend that they call even those small children wake up for our presence. You know you can't even talk to them. Call them. You know the feet. All the guys that I love so much. It's part of the show tonight. This guy's goal is tight. It's got his A game on point. Ladies and gentlemen, it goes by the name R.J. Borne. Shut up.
This way. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Cha, Igbo Bueno. I remain an Igbo boy anytime, any day. Any business you show me Igbo man, if you take that over, they won't pass you. There's only one business Igbo man never put hand, and that's swear. Hold on. You know what? Any business they want testing for you, what they say for you, they don't do. The video and this square with hey. Last week, I see Jude for some little. I said, Jude, and I will find upcoming artists with the twins. I will find them. Hey! You go Put Santa, spread the film now. Ladies and gentlemen, someone who won Lagos, are you surprised? How can you be surprised? Somebody make you campaign, the campaign be like rapture. You walk for the same street, you go see 45 someone who campaign. 1 Nigerian, 35 someone who 1 Nigerian, 85 someone who, by the time you see 1 Nigerian, you go come to the table someone who for the house. You know something is showing right now. Back in the days, Kim Kardashian then, they make body, it won't be like say, you know, they'll go do surgery, add body. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been mystified. It's not in Nigeria. 1,050,000 on that. If you don't get it, you will get it. And I don't have a problem with it. If you don't feel comfortable about your body, no problem. If you can afford it, do the surgery. My only problem is that many Nigerian parents don't understand the sense of proportionalism. It's an insult to my intelligence. Say I grow with you for the same street, and I know your nails from small. You go to one God punish you. Respect me! Respect my intelligence! You can deceive a man. Man don't know which one the original head or fake head. We don't know. Man don't know which one the original makeup or fake makeup. We don't care. But let me tell you something that I actually know. When we see the original, we can tell. If you were an animal and you need orange, that's fine. I respect you. If you were orange and you need pawpaw, God bless you. If you were pawpaw and you need pineapple, God will bless you. You were pineapple and you need watermelon, God will bless you. But ladies, you cannot jump from a pineapple to watermelon. God will punish you. Before I leave, I'll say something though. I followed my friend up in the end of year party recently. I was amazed. I was wild. Small children of 4 years old. There's so butterfly clothes for them. There's so wing for them. You're back here, what's the next one? So when we come, that time, the most abused song was Diana Ross.
Now we say the rich one want to walk. Now me get her to the class of I'll just buy a table now. Now going to perform for me. If they wait, they come in nobody first. I take up beg now. I won't go back and introduce myself. Una go pretend like say una love me. But me una know say I beg una. So I'll go back now when I introduce myself and I'll go to form, scream, shout, faint. But me nobody there. This year you look for some of person wey no work and talking. So one na pretend like so na never see me before, so now just pretend. Wait now. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to introduce on stage an award-winning comedian. This dude has traveled for a while. He just came back from Menta, all the way from his house. If your hands are not too busy, I want you to make some noise as we present on stage. Hey, Bobo! Hey! Wait. She didn't go care of. She didn't go care of. Life now brain. Not be because say they do collapse medicine for you, you say now because you want a tester. She didn't go care of. More than the answer me now. If I dey talk to myself, that's how they create. She didn't go care of. Rosebud wey go marry na public holiday she go. Who they give quick notice, not the park daytime. Now met in the park to avoid question that touches the heart. Now pastor will never get members, now they get time for demon. The one way don't get members, now English they speak. 31st night, my pastor comes say, she don't know shit, nigga, damn. Look at my life, can you see what God has done? Come, who the plant of Unatu? Now, wow, no work on this country. I shock when I see policemen, they do never work on my area. But the country don't ready. Come, Kentucky, listen to me. Now you going to play for me. You never make her, you don't wear your ring. Now I say, if you don't make her, you dey pull your ring for nose and armpit. Shit, yeah. Last week Friday, I think I should go with a bottle of water. Now, bottle water. So if you know you're here with your bottle of water, man, shit. Open it, let me prophesy on this now. Open now, see prophecy. So as you drink this bottle of water, man, success is yours. You shout amen. Shit. Damn, man. You receive an alert, we shout amen. True, people they drink, people they receive alert. Or those on a debit alert, on a credit alert. She don't go care of. But I show who I go believe. My pastor don't say, she didn't go. I'm angry this week. Why you not go dress? Won't be only 40 for the full show. Pray! We open. Now more open for other command. Oh, pastor, what was why you went like that? Please, if you know you are above 82 years old, this prayer point is not meant for you. Go back to your seat, Mama Allah. Now, three oceans go ahead, Mama Allah. As Mama they go and they complain.
Yala bad must book you right.
Lamide.
Eva.
Jimmy Jam. CDQ.
Kaya Shokola. Young Six. Yabo Ojo.
Kiss Daniel.
Ronke Ojo Anthony.
Emma Wo.
Kilarigbo. Kilarigbo.
Kilarigbo. Kilarigbo.
Mo wà níbí.
Kilarigbo.
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 Kilarigbo. Emma Wo, Emma Fon.
Kilarigbo.
Mo kí ni o.
Ó lẹ ti ń pọ́n ẹ̀.
Ẹ dúró ń bẹ̀ fẹ́ wo. Kilarigbo.
Kilarigbo. Ètò gidi ni o.
Kilarigbo. Kilarigbo.
Kilarigbo.
Kilarigbo. Kilarigbo.
Kilarigbo. Pero sọ̀rọ̀.
Ti gbọ́ nǹkan tá a rí gbọ́.
Kilarigbo.
Kilarigbo.
Kilarigbo. Ètò tó dùn ní Kilarigbo.
Máa yí kó mẹ́.
Kilarigbo.
Mílẹ̀. Kẹ́wọ̀n rí gbọ́.
Ẹ mọ bó ṣe ń lọ náà.
Kilarigbo.
Máa wo program yẹn.
Kilarigbo.
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 Kilarigbo. Ẹ máa wo.
Ṣé ti gbọ́? Ẹ bá fọwọ́ kan tẹlifíṣàn yẹn má gbé kúrò.
Ilẹ̀ gbọ́. Ètò bá àná màá gbọ́dọ̀ máa sọ.
Kilarigbo.
Kilarigbo.
Bá mi ò dán mọ́rán bọ̀ ẹ má ní jẹ.
Kilarigbo náà.
Kilarigbo.
Tony Kilarigbo. Kilarigbo.
Ẹ ṣé gan-an.